lines and angles. Okay. So in the last class I had given an introduction to the lines and angles, and we have discussed about the line, what is line and what is line segment and what is the ray. Then angle, the different types of angles, acute angle, right angle triangle, then obtuse angle, straight angle, the reflex angle, then complete angle. Okay, so after that, different types of angles we have already studied. We have also studied about the adjacent angles. Okay, and after the adjacent angles, complementary angles, then supplementary angles, then vertically opposite angles. After that, linear pair of angles. So these angles we have studied in the earlier class, that is in the previous session. Okay, so I have sent the notes also to make a note of that. So write in your classwork. In today's session, we will go for it is a theorem. It is a well-known proof. So I have already told you that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal, and we will prove that all these vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So this. So it should be read as a theorem. Okay. So we call this theorem 1. Okay. So now we need to prove that if two lines intersect each other, statement of the theorem is two lines intersect each other. If two lines are intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So this is the theorem which we need to prove. Two lines are intersect each other. So suppose assume that these two lines are intersect each other. Let me call this is A, line A, B, and this is C, D, and we will call it as this is intersecting point O. If these two lines are intersect each other, how many angles are formed? There will be 4 angles will be formed. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Correct? So out of these 4 angles, opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. The angle AOC is, then BOD is, these two are equal. When these two are equal, AOD, then COD, these two angles are equal. Okay, but we need to prove that. So for proving this, we know that if I am having a straight line, what is the angle? It is a straight angle. Angle is 180 degree, right? Angle is 180 degree. Okay. Assume that a ray will be cut this 180 degree. We call it as this is OA, this is OB, then this is OC. Okay. Now, what is this total angle again now? Again it is 180 degree only. Then what is the sum of these two angles? That is angle AOC plus BOC. This angle plus this BOC, which is equal to 180. This is called as linear pair of angles. When the sum of two adjacent angles are equal to 180 degree, then that is called as the linear pair of angles, right? That is we have studied in the earlier class. So this is linear pair of angles. The total angle is 180 degree. If the ray is cutting that angle into 2 parts, then these two angles will become adjacent angles because it is the common arm. So angle BOC plus COA. So this is BOC, this is COA, correct? So sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree because this is straight angle, it should be 180 degree. Now let us assume that one more ray will cut this like this. So this is OD, we will take it as ray OD. Then what is sum of these angles? Of course, BOD plus COD plus COA. It What is the sum of all these angles? Again, it is 180 degree only because it is a straight angle only. We have cut it into two parts. I'm sorry, three parts. 1, 2, 3. Now we cut it into three parts, three angles. Now, what is the sum of angles? Of course, it is 180 degree only. What is that? This BOD. This angle, okay, plus this. This is either DOC or COD, both are same. You can start from here and you can go like this, or you can start from here and you can go like this. DOC or COD, both are same. Both will represent this angle like this. Okay, plus COD plus then this COA or AOC. Let me take it as COA only. COA, which is equal to 180. Okay. It is called a linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. This is called as linear axiom. This is called as linear axiom. Or else linear pair of angles property. Linear pair of angles property. This is also a linear pair. Linear pair. So using this, we are going to prove this. Using the linear pair of angles property, we are going to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. We'll see that how to prove that. So not only this line may be like this also, straight line may be like this also. Right? Now what is the angle? What is the angle? 180 degree only. Okay. If I cut that ray, again it is called as OA, B, then C. Then what is that? Sum of these two angles. Sum of angle BOC plus COA. Again, it is 180 degree only. That means straight line in the sense it should not be like in horizontal position. It may be like in vertically position, whatever it will, but it should be a straight line. That's it may be like this. Okay, this may be another way. O D. This is A B. This is point O. Then what is the sum of these two angles? Again, it is 180 degree. BOD then AOD. Sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree because it is a straight line. You can observe that AOB is a straight line. OD is a ray which intersects the straight line. So it will divide into two angles. Total angle is 180 degree only because it is AOD is a straight line. Okay. This is also a straight line. And this is also a straight line. And this is also a straight line. Don't assume that if you are writing only in horizontal position, then it is a straight line. If I write like this, it is not a straight line. No, all are straight line. Okay. We use that and we apply the vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now, proof. Okay. So if it is a theorem, then we need to give the proof. It is given that two lines intersect each other. It is given that two lines intersect each other. Okay. AB and CD. AB and CD are the two lines. AB. So let AB and CD are the two lines intersecting at O. So AB, CD are the two lines intersecting at O. Okay. Intersecting at O. Okay. Then we need to prove that first one, these two angles are equal. What is that? These two angles are equal. What is that? AOC, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD or BOD. Second one, this is first pair of opposite angles. Another pair of second pair of opposite angles are AOD then COB. AOD is equal to COB or BOC. AOD. So AOD is equal to COB. These two pair. Okay. So these two are equal. We need to prove this. Okay. Now, we know that now let us take AB is a line. AB is a line. Forget about this line. Forget about this line now. AB is a line. AB is a line. OD is a ray which stands on the line AB. So what is the angle of this AOD plus BOD? According to linear pair of axiom, sum of these angles must be 180 degree, right? Linear pair of angles, right? So we use that and we write this. Okay. So now ray OD stands on line AB. Okay. Ray OD stands on line AB. Therefore, angle AOD plus BOD. This plus this is equal to 180 degree. AOD plus BOD. This angle plus this angle. This angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. AOD plus BOD. AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. In the bracket we should write this linear pair of angles, linear pair axiom. Okay. So AOD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. So that we can write. Now this is called as, we call it as equation 1. Okay. We will call it as equation 1. So AB is a line, OD is a ray, stands on line AB. So therefore sum of these angles are equal to 180 degree. That is done. Now CD is a line. CD is a line, and you can observe that OB is a ray. OB is a ray which stands on the line CD. Therefore, what is the sum of these two angles? This plus this must be equal to 180 degree, correct? Angle COB plus BOD, right? Must be equal to 180 degree. That also will write. Now, ray OB stands on line CD. Therefore, angle, I'm talking about ray OB, right? So COB plus BOD. COB plus BOD. COB plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. Again, it is a linear pair of axiom. Linear pair axiom, correct? So this is equation 2. Clear? So by taking OD as a ray, AB as a line, we have taken this these two angles are 180 degree by linear pair of angles. Now by taking CD is a line and OB is a ray standing on the line CD, I have taken the sum of these two angles, that is equal to 180 degree. That I have written for it as 1, 2. So now you can observe that RHS, this is also 180 degree, this is also 180 degree. That means RHS are equal. This is equation, right? RHS are equal. That means LHS must be equal. That is the rule, right? If RHS are equal, then LHS must be equal, right? So from equation 1 and 2, so we can say that LHS must be equal. What is the LHS of equation 1? AOD plus BOD is equal to RHS COB plus BOD. Okay, COB plus BOD. So AOD. So now you can observe that AOD plus BOD plus COB plus BOD. Since RHS are equal, LHS must be equal. I have written. Okay. Now you can observe that I am having an angle plus BOD. Here also I am having a plus BOD. Right? So we'll do one thing. I will bring it to LHS, otherwise I can cancel it directly. BOD plus BOD, both will get cancelled on both sides. So what is remaining? AOD is equal to CO. AOD is equal to COB, which is remaining. Okay. What is remaining? Angle AOD is equal to angle COB. So that is what we need to prove that. So that we need to prove that AOD is equal to COB. That is, this is we have proved. Similarly, we can prove this. Similarly, we can prove this by taking CD is a line, OA is a ray, or we can take AB is a line, AB is a line, OC is a ray. First thing, we will call this equation 1. Then CD is a line, OA is a ray. Then we will take one more equation. Then we can solve it. Cancellation is going to be happen like this. Then you will be getting AOC is equal to BOD. Okay. So that we want to do right similarly. Similarly, we can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Okay. Similarly, we can prove that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. This concludes that two angles are, vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So this concludes that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So very, very important theorem. So proving that if the two lines are intersecting each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. If you prove these two, then that concludes that these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. This is one pair of vertically opposite angles that is equal. This is another pair of vertically opposite angles that is also equal. Okay. So now we'll go to exercise. So let us solve this example. Here, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at O. If angle POR is to ROQ is equal to 5:7, then find all the angles. Here ratio is given. Of course, PQ and RS are the two lines intersecting at the point O. Okay. Now, a ratio is given POR, which is POR, then ROQ. This and this, they are given as 5:7. Ratio of these two angles is 5:7. They are given. Find all the angles. Okay. So, whenever they are given the ratio, okay, POR, ROQ, they are given that 5:7. Whenever the angles they are given the ratio, so whenever they are given the ratio, the angles, okay, we will be taking the individual angles. POR is equal to 5 with some constant, okay, some positive integer. I'll take it as A, others I'll take it as X. Now angle ROQ is equal to 7 types of X, where X is some positive integer. X is some positive integer. Okay. Whenever they are given the angles ratio, we should take some constant with that when we are equating that. Okay. Okay, that is the ratio. That is not the exact value. That is not the exact value of the angle. In fact, they are given the ratio. Therefore, that will going to be changed. That is, therefore, you should take some constant with the angles. When you are equating that, you should take some constants. Okay. Not only X, you can take Y and Y. You can take A and A. You can take B and B, where B is some positive integer. Okay. Now, according to the linear pair of angles, we should find all the angles. This POS, POR, ROQ, then SOQ. You should find out. Do it necessary to find out all the angles? No, not necessarily. If you find out POR, I can say that POR and SOQ are equal because vertically opposite angles are equal. If I say that this is 180 degree, I'm sorry, this is 40 degree, this should be 40 degree because these two are vertically opposite angles. We have proved the theorem 1, vertically opposite angles are equal. If this angle is 50 degree, then this should be 50 degree. So these two must be equal. So if I find out this and this, then that is enough. So we can say that these two angles by using the vertical opposite angles, correct? So let me find out this and this. So now observe that PQ is a line, OR is a ray, it stands on the line PQ. So according to the linear pair of angles, if I add these two